freedom. I'm going down among the ordinary people. I'm going to get up on my own 2 feet and go right down to where they're gathered tonight. I'm going down in search of some good old servitude instead of this poisonous freedom stuff that turns out to be so grim and gruff.
She's a mask na nina is raime she's a nacht raime she's a glarab.
I'll go looking for the company of those who could never see the point of being cut off and free. I listen to the 2 cents worth they'll rearrange like so much spare change.
Den Hannerts Muinte, Tag Dranna im Himpo, Ik Dranna im Himpo, Sunuigenis.
I've had thoughts springing of late in my skull, these thoughts springing of late, unruly and intemperate. But I'll try to give my attention to things that are all tied up, to every dogged idea and its pup. Yup. To power, to contracts.
Slurrigot kolder dine, nar chlacht rief in Saoirse, kolder nine na uigenis. Van het liv de lowestige is bij mij ische, bij mij dielish de woordsnap smuinte, maar de goeie de vassmuinte, ik vas kan grimsche, ik vas en meeting kan wasser is de huggescan kriege viel voor dan rota schriente mogri she feel for the gach macro.
For I'm here to rail now and forever against freedom and all its works, against everything about independence that irks. The mind that falls into the deep furrow of freedom will never spring up afresh. That mind is pre-trampled, pre-threshed. There aren't any God-made hills in that vicinity, but abstract hills, hills of the imagination, keeping their own hard station. Every last one of those hills is coming down with wishes and deep desires that never meet the goals to which they aspire. There are no limits to the idea of freedom, nor the range of the imagination. There are no bounds to any of those deep desires. There's no reprieve to be found.
Dan ver morig tos na guihe, so vore se quino, ik tos na guihe, kinornen, dan ho hiskent, dan ho han quina, dan ho